Hey, this is Mark Tucker from Southern RV. I got an important announcement to make. This weekend is a special weekend because the Southern RV Roadshow is coming to Shady Campground. So be sure to stop by and see us and see the selection of RVs that we're going to have on display. Hey, and when you come by the display, you can just sign up for the drawings that we're going to have for RV-related accessories. And we're going to have a big cornhole tournament. We're going to have a gift for the grand prize of the winner of that. And also, come by between 8 and 9:30. We're going to have coffee and donuts. And on Saturday, we'll have seminars about RV repairs. Hey, if you're not camping at Shady Grove Campground this weekend, you can still stop by and see our display of RVs and just enjoy the fun of all the campers here at Shady Grove Campground in Cumming, Georgia, on Lake Lanier. And be sure to call your father this weekend if he's not camping with you and tell him how much you appreciate him, because this is one day of the year that we can really step out and say thank you and we love them.